foundations, crawl spaces, wet basements, egress windows. We do concrete repairs. Can do electrical and plumbing. Taking those spaces from dark, damp, nasty places to fully remodeled, finished, usable spaces that are safe for our customers. At the end of the day, that's why we exist, is to redefine the contracting industry through our employees, through our customers, and obviously growing the company so we can help more of both. I think one of the things that we take a lot of pride in is educating, advising, and walking alongside people. So the most important piece of that's our employees, so spending enough time putting the investment into them so that they can go out and be the best versions of themselves. How we take that to our customers is really just partnering with them. So at the end of the day, I think your actions speak louder than words, and if we're backing up what's in our purpose manual with the behavior that we show our employees, I think trust just naturally develops. Really excited for our team because they're the ones out doing the work every day. Excited for our customers because they get to see the results of that work, and then obviously that creates sustainability, across the company, and just lets us keep doing what we're doing.